Hi, so this is 2.2. Before moving on to 2.2 gaseous state, I would like to actually say that if you are watching this video and if you haven't watched the video for 2.1 kinetic theory, then go back and watch the video for kinetic theory of all three states of matter. Okay, so in this video 2.2 gaseous state, we are going to discuss three of the main things which are included in the chapter. The first thing is the property of gas, which is diffusibility. Then the second is temperature and pressure. So all these three properties of gases are mentioned in this chapter. The first thing we are going to discuss today is the diffusibility in this video. So moving on to diffusibility, a term that means spreading, and diffusibility in gases means spreading of gas molecules. As you can see in this diagram, gas molecules moving randomly, and when they are given a space to move, for example, see this perfume bottle over here. There are all of the gas molecules in this perfume bottle are actually moving like this. They are actually moving randomly, and when you press the nozzle of the perfume, all the gas molecules go out, and in that case these molecules spread. Some of the molecules go there, some of the molecules may go there, some of the molecules may spread out more than the others, and that process is called diffusion, and this property is called the diffusibility property of the gas. Now another interesting thing among the gas is effusion. Now what is effusion? Effusion is actually the opposite of diffusion. Whatever diffusion is, effusion is actually the opposite of it. And what is effusion? Effusion is actually the moving of gas particles from a small hole. Consider this as the gas molecules over here. These red spines are the gas molecules, and they are getting out of this vessel. This getting out of this tiny hole from the vessel and like going into another section of the vessel, it's is called effusion. Now this is diffusibility discussed in this video. In the next video we are going to discuss compressibility and temperature. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.